Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. The West Indies will look to quickly bounce back to winning ways when they play fellow co-hosts, the USA, in their second match of the Super 8 stage at the ICC T20 World Cup at the Kensington Oval in Barbados this evening starting at 7:30. The West Indies lost by 8 wickets to defending champions England in their opening match of the Super 8s on Wednesday. The Americans also started the Super 8s with defeat to South Africa. It means both teams are in a do-or-die affair with 2 matches remaining. England will battle South Africa in the top, they're currently battling South Africa in the top of the table clash. Now, the West Indies women lost by 161 runs to host Sri Lanka's women in the third one-day international in Hambantota on Friday to lose the 3-match series at 3-0. Centre-back Sri Lanka's women first posted a challenging 275 for 6 from their 50 overs. Captain Chamara Atapatu top scored with 91, while Lashika Silva made 63, Anushka Sanjivani 55 and Vishimi Gunaratne 44. Karishma Ramarak took 2 for 46, while there was a wicket each for Afi Fletcher and Kiana Joseph. In reply, the Windies women, who were again playing without captain Hayley Matthews, who is ill, were bowled out for 115 in 34.5 overs. Jamaica's Shadeen Nation top scored with 46 as Chini Nisansala took a career best 5 for 28 for Sri Lanka's women. Another Jamaican, former captain Stefani Taylor, made 16 and Ali Alain 27. Football now, defending champions Argentina defeated CONCACAF team Canada 2-0 in the opening match of the Copa America tournament on Thursday night in Atlanta in the USA. Julian Alvarez and the champions on their way in minute 49 before Lautaro Martinez sealed the win in the 88th minute. The Canadians are one of 5 CONCACAF teams in the tournament. The tournament continues today with Chile battling Peru in Group A. Meanwhile, Jamaica's Reggae boys are fine-tuning preparation for their opening match against Mexico in the Copa America tournament. This at the NRG Stadium in Houston, Texas, in the USA on Saturday. Kickoff time is 8 p.m. Jamaica time. This will be the second meeting between the teams at the Copa America, having also met at the group stage at the 2016 edition, the Copa Centenario at the Rose Bowl in the USA, when the Mexicans prevailed 2-0. Jamaica are yet to win a match or score a goal in their 2 previous Copa America appearances in 2015 and 2016. A press conference ahead of the match is scheduled for this afternoon at 2 p.m. Jamaica time. And, well, that is the final whistle. That is it for your lunchtime sports. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News on behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams. Good afternoon.